Hello dear students, today I am going to explain you essay on coronavirus. First topic is introduction. Coronavirus, commonly called COVID-19, a pandemic, is an infectious disease. COVID-19 was first identified in Wuhan City, China during December 2019. Coronavirus causes illness in the respiratory system of humans. It spreads primarily through contact and it has broken out in the whole world badly. The clinical name of coronavirus is SARS-CoV-2, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Till now, no vaccine, no medicine has been developed yet for proper treatment of coronavirus, and clinical search still going on. This is the introduction of coronavirus, and it is made very easy, and it is most important for HSLC examination 2021-22 and class 9 examination. The second point is impact. The WHO, World Health Organization, World declared COVID-19 is an international emergency. It causes a large number of deaths across the world due to coronavirus. Schools, colleges, organizations, business industries were shut down, and a large number country announced lockdown by their respective government. Coronavirus spreads person to person among those who are in close contact. It spreads by the respiratory droplets of cough or sneeze of the COVID-19 patient. A healthy person may got infected by breathing the virus if is in within 1 meter distance of a COVID-19 patient. The third point is symptoms. The most common symptoms of coronavirus are fever, dry cough, breathing problem. Apart from this, in some cases, symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscle pain, diarrhea, loss of taste and smell can also be seen in some COVID-19 patients. COVID-19 symptoms is very mild to severe. The next point is prevention. Prevention is better than cure. In order to prevent coronavirus, we need to take some precautions like wash your hands regularly with soap or sanitizer, wear masks, always cover your nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing, and maintain 1 to 3 meter social distance. These are the points, and the last point is conclusion. Coronavirus is one of the severe issue and international emergency facing by people all over the world. It is very necessary to come out of this situation as early as possible and bring an end to it. This is the simple essay on coronavirus, and I think it is most important. So please watch the video till end, and if you the new, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for another videos.